Without the shedding of blood is no remission. Where John Jesus, cancel divis. Amen. John Jesus, cancel divis. What are we grabbing? All throughout Bible, the Old Testament, all the way to the New Testament. Siguro netsa miyaga araposo kusaro ibsirama. Narawe ko Garden of Eden, friend Aaron May, Nuberra, very tibis. When they try to cover their sin with thick leaves, they try to cover their sin with jellyfish. You will go that thick, and near over, and getting a curva. There was shedding of blood in the Garden of Eden. Jack, mi barpura, narawe kaso, ure pogusyo, tipsir veta raferi, narawe Garden of Eden. Without the shedding of blood, there is no forgiveness. Iwa pareto, napugar Exodus 12:23. So Moses instructed Aparo sagari kawaras empecé pedir seria kigan manapanso erenir owe niniva agechar o atarete one asaben duel edegin merete measa pun God ne patirado a destroyer they when near I made sin firstborn the devil was a furry. You were Charles City, Liverpool firstborn, was a bad. Charles City, Liverpool firstborn, bad. There was shedding of blood. Di balor, di bakuburan naran panso, the tibis, di balosyo, di gasol pain, di balor, the quadras, it's very important that throughout the whole Bible, say Old Testament, all the way to the New Testament. You had the most precious of all blood made sin. You were ye, John Jesus, Abu Buro, Warway Gratis. John Jesus, Abu Buro, Warway Gratis. You were ye, Jah, Adawari Arakwe. Wash all your sins away. The Bible said, as white as snow. As white as snow. Did I read with John Jesus? We know everything because it's face. Better cause you gotta do everything out of snow, never. And I wake up in the morning, we run milk. And it's just all white. You don't soon. You very much soon. And John Jesus would only lose our sin. Ever? Never. Do we want our sins to be forgiven by the blood of Christ? Say amen. 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 John Jesus, as white as snow, or as if you've never sinned before. That's the first without. Kevin. First without is without the shedding of blood. And our ruwan without. Not in the same book. Hebrews 11:6.